Aberdeen is seeking damages to the tune of something like $150 million plus interest from Mahindra Satyam in connection with losses that they allegedly suffered due to the fraud that was perpetrated by the company's erstwhile promoter. Sunita Nagpal is here. She joins us from Delhi. Sunita, tell us what the impact of this on the company will really be.
Well, George, this has been pending. This was one of the risks that the management has been saying, that Aberdeen has not settled with them. There are two cases pending as far as Aberdeen is concerned. One is in US. They've already filed for claims of roughly about 68 million. UK, they had not filed, but in February, when the management had spoken to us, they had said that they've received a claim, initial claim of roughly about $268 million from Aberdeen, and plus a slew of some investors that Aberdeen was representing. This is Aberdeen UK. So there are two cases pending from Aberdeen side. One is in the US, which has already been filed, and that's a claim of roughly about $68 million. And this one is for $150 million plus the interest that, as you mentioned. These have been in the risk that the management has been stating, but when they had spoken to us earlier in February, they had said that this claim is not tenable, and they do not expect this amount to be this large as $268 million. Even if you see that the claim that finally has been filed is for $150 million, so which is much lower than the 268 initially claimed by Aberdeen AMC in UK. So analysts are expecting that if any settlement happens on both fronts, as far as US and UK is concerned, will be much lower. As we've seen in past also, whenever the claims have been made against the company, the initial amount has been much bigger than the final settlement has been done. If you look at the lawsuit that the company had settled with the investors in US, initial claim was for $1 billion worth of damages, while the settlement only happened at $125 million. So analysts are hopeful that the amount works out to be much lower than the initial claims that have come at the moment. And other than this one risk, there is another pending risk that the company faces is for the tax claim from the IT department. There is a tax claim of roughly about 617, of which the company has already provided the bank guarantees worth. There is another case that is pending, but that's not been filed as yet, but it's just the initial claims of 1900 crores for the export fraud that the company had done in previous under the previous promoters. That has also been pending, but for which the company has already provided for 511 crore worth of damages. So these are the things that are pending, and has been the risk as far as Mahindra Satyam is concerned. The only risk we see at the moment is that the merger might be delayed for both Tech Mahindra as well as Mahindra Satyam. And as you can see that both post the announcement of the merger, the face of the two companies are now interlinked, and that's why both the stocks are down in today's claim. But at the moment, analysts are not worried that the claims could be much higher than what initially thought.